Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find the sound and vibration section, and that was a misclick. Sound and vibration. And as you can see right here we've got the section with the notifications, ringtone and the alarm, so overall with the sound. So let me show you how to change it using the ringtone itself. And after tapping on it you can see that we will be transferred into the ringtones in this kind of a theme app. Of course we can pick something from those options, I mean from the outsource of our device. As you can see, you've got a lot of categories here. You've got even categorized it to the moods, to the nature ringtones, to the auto mix and so on. So maybe we will pick something from those options, but first of all I'd like to just show you the choose local ringtone and pre-install ringtones, which are the ringtones that are currently saved on your device itself. So the local ringtone, it simply means that you, after tapping on it, you will be able to pick a tone or a sound from the recorder, file manager or music. So if you'll have any kind of files downloaded and if they will be compatible or recorded, then you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. Here the pre-installed ringtones, so let's kind of say that they are regular ones. As you can see, the ringtone alarm notifications, and here we've got this kind of standard looking option. Of course, if you want to, you can pick something from those options. Just tap on the option and first of all it will be applied successfully. So as you can see, you can do it just by tapping and you can listen to it just by tapping on it also. So let's go back. All right, I know everything, thank you. I just want to go back to this section because I think that it will be quite nice to pick something from those options. And maybe let's pick I don't know, the happy mood, because why not? And as you can see here we've got some options also from which we can choose. For example, this one. So kind of okay. As I said, you can pick something from those, and after tapping on it, you have to pick this kind of. Oh my god, let me volume it down a little bit. You have to tap on this kind of a ringtone icon, something like that. If you like the tone, just tap on it. Your device will ask you if you want to select the tone, so just tap on OK. As you can see, it will be downloaded because obviously it is not in your internal storage. You have to download it, and then it will be successfully applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.